The future is bright for Graebner Elementary Dolphins. Join us as we take a tour of the reconstructed Graebner Elementary and how its new look will support exemplary teaching and learning. The reconstructed Graebner Elementary reflects the safety and security priorities of our 2023 bond issue. The improvements will also result in a school building that will foster community pride and give staff and students the tools and space they need to empower our students. The main entrance and office area are located in an easily identifiable location that creates a welcoming environment for guests. Secure entryways and shatter-resistant glass is used throughout the area to reinforce a safe environment for staff and students. The main corridor provides a bright, open area that reflects our Dolphin pride. For another layer of security, the doors that will lead to instructional areas can be automatically locked from a remote location. Graebner Elementary will feature separate areas for dining and physical education. A movable wall separates the areas to allow instruction and the lunch period to occur simultaneously. With the area open, the facility becomes a multi-purpose area for musical performances and assemblies. You have now entered a learning community, one of 4 learning communities throughout the school. Each learning community contains unique areas that give our teachers different types of space depending on their instructional strategies. The centers contain private space where students can think and reflect on their learning, areas for hands-on learning, open hubs for collaborative work, and media center space customized to grade levels that are right outside a student's classroom door. The classroom areas of Graebner will give our teachers the flexibility they need to drive student achievement. The classroom contains state-of-the-art technology, use of natural lighting, flexible space and furniture, 2 teaching walls to tailor large and small group instruction, and a large wall of enclosed storage cabinets for classroom and project storage. For more than 50 years, Graebner Elementary has served our community with excellence. While the building will change, what makes our school such a special place, warmth and our sense of community, will never change. Thanks to the support of our district voters, Graebner Elementary will continue to be a home for our Dolphins for generations to come.